We don't see many other blockchain solutions in the DoD from our purview. That means that we don't know everything, right? I don't know everything that's going on, but I do have a lot of handlers that kind of feed me information from the inside of what they're seeing. Finance was the first expressions, and then of course, supply chain management. I think it's an amazing use case, and I want to give a shout out to companies like Morpheus Network. Really like those guys. Dan, I've always been a big believer in that dude. And they've have some of those federal contracts, but we decided not to focus on supply chain and digital logistics, even though our technology could be very effective in some of those use cases, especially in combination with different entities like Hyperledger Fabric and Morpheus and whatnot. As a true blockchain ecosystem, I believe we're one of the few, if not like one of the lone soldiers in a pocket of use cases that no one else is really focused on.
Constellation Network. We built for tomorrow.